Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about some application of business analytics. Um, as we know, data is everywhere, and with the right tools and techniques, it can become one of the most valuable assets a company has. In this session, we'll explore how businesses are using analytics to drive decision making, improve efficiency, understand customer behavior, and gain competitive advantages. We'll look at real world applications across different sectors from finance to healthcare and understand the impact that data driven insights can have on both large enterprises and small businesses. Now, uh, Now let's go over what we'll cover today. We'll start with a brief introduction to business analytics to establish a foundational understanding of what business analytics entails and why it is so essential in today's data driven environment. So next, we'll explore the types of business analytics. This includes descriptive, predictive, and prospective analytics. Each of these serves a distinct purpose in transforming raw data into actionable insights. We'll then move on to the applications of descriptive analytics. Here we'll see how organizations use historical data to understand past behaviors and trends, um, enabling them to make informed decisions based on what has already happened. Following that, we'll discuss the applications of predictive analytics. This type of analytics helps companies anticipate future outcomes and behaviors by analyzing current and historical data, enabling proactive decision making. Then, our fourth main topic will cover the applications of perspective analytics. This is where we'll dive into how businesses use data not only to predict outcomes but also determine the best course of action. Now, after understanding these applications, we'll look at some case studies in business analytics to see how real companies are utilizing these different types of analytics to solve complex business challenges and gain a competitive edge. Finally, we'll just wrap up with conclusion that summarize the key takeaways and emphasizes the growing importance of business analytics in driving innovation and growth. Okay, so let's get started. Now let's begin with a foundational understanding of business analytics. So it is defined as the use of statistical methods and advanced technologies to analyze data, identify patterns, and make data driven decisions. In simpler terms, it's all about leveraging data to answer key business questions and drive meaningful insights. Why is it important? In today's competitive environment, businesses can no longer rely solely on intuition or experience to make decisions. Business analytics equips organizations with the ability to make informed choices, improve operational performance, and gain a competitive advantage. As we move through this lecture, I encourage you to think about how businesses, like large and small, use analytics to navigate their challenges and opportunities. This introduction sets the stage for understanding the different types of analytics and their real world applications. Now, to truly understand the power of business analytics, it's essential to explore these three main types, which is descriptive, predictive, and perspective analytics. Each type serves a specific purpose and helps businesses solve different kinds of problems. First, we have descriptive analytics, which focuses on analyzing historical data to understand past performance. Um, this type of analytics answers the question what happened and provides insights by identifying trends and patterns from existing data. For instance, a company might use descriptive analytics to track sales trends over the past year. Next is predictive analytics, which uses statistical models and machine learning algorithms to forecast future outcomes. It answers the question what is likely to happen. By analyzing current and historical data, businesses can anticipate customer behavior, market trends, or even risks. For example, predictive analytics can help retailers forecast inventory needs during holiday seasons. Finally, there's prescriptive perspective analytics, which takes things a step further by providing actionable recommendations for optimal decision making. It answers the question, what should we do? Using advanced algorithms, perspective analytics not only predicts outcomes but also suggests the best course of action. This can be individual and invaluable for applications like supply chain optimization or personalized marketing strategies. So, together, these types of analytics empower businesses to not just understand their past but to predict their future and take informed actions. So, now let's dive deeper into the real world applications. Okay, so applications of descriptive analytics, which is the most fundamental type of analytics and serves as the foundation for more advanced techniques. So, descriptive analytics looks at historical data to identify patterns and trends, providing valuable insights for decision making. One key application is sales performance analysis, where businesses analyze past sales data to understand trends and seasonality. For example, a retailer might study how sales vary during holiday seasons to better plan inventory and marketing campaigns. Now, another application is customer segmentation. By providing by grouping customers based on their historical behavior, businesses can create targeted marketing strategies. This approach allows companies to cater to specific customer needs and improve customer satisfaction and loyalty. Lastly, there's financial reporting, which involves generating reports on past financial performance. For instance, organizations analyze revenue, profit margins, and other key metrics to assess how well they have performed in the past and identify areas of improvement. So, these applications of descriptive analytics are critical for organizations to understand what has happened in their operations and to set the stage for predictive and prescriptive analytics. So, let's see the next one now. Moving on, let's discuss the applications of predictive analytics, which is all about looking ahead and forecasting future outcomes based on historical and current data. Predictive analytics empowers businesses to anticipate challenges and opportunities, enabling proactive decision making. Um, a key application is demand forecasting, where businesses predict future product demand by analyzing historical sales data. For example, a company might forecast the number of winter coats to stock in preparation for the holiday season based on past trends. Now, another critical application is risk assessment. By using predictive models, organizations can evaluate the likelihood of customer default or fraud. For instance, financial institutions use predictive analytics to assess the creditworthiness of loan applicants, reducing risks and ensuring better financial decisions. And lastly, there's customer churn prediction. This involves identifying customers who are likely to leave or stop using a service by analyzing behavior and transactional data. Companies can then implement retention strategies such as targeted offers or personalized communication to improve customer loyalty. So, predictive analytics provides a powerful framework for businesses to anticipate the future and make data informed decisions to stay ahead in the market. So, here let's go to the next topic, which is perspective analytics. This is the most advanced form of analytics, as I said earlier, which does not just predict outcomes but also provides actionable recommendations for optimal decision making. Perspective analytics answers the question, what should we do? So, one key application is supply chain optimization, where businesses use perspective analytics to recommend the optimal amount of inventory to hold. This helps to reduce costs while ensuring that customer demand is met efficiently. For example, a retailer might use perspective analytics to balance inventory levels across stores, reducing overstock and stockouts. Then another application is marketing campaign optimization. Prescriptive analytics helps businesses identify the best marketing channels and the ideal timing for campaigns. So, this ensures that marketing efforts are both effective and efficient, leading to higher engagement and better ROI. Then, lastly, we have resource allocation, which involves optimizing how resources are distributed across different departments to maximize efficiency and profits. For instance, prescriptive analytics might suggest how to allocate budget and personnel across various projects to achieve the best overall outcomes. So, basically, prescriptive analytics combines data, advanced algorithms, and machine learning to guide decision making processes, making it an invaluable tool for businesses aiming to operate at peak performance. Okay, so let's now examine how business analytics is transforming the retail industry, one of the sectors most heavily influenced by data driven decision making. Retailers are leveraging analytics to enhance operations, improving customer experience, and drive profitability. One key application is customer behavior analysis, where businesses analyze customer purchase patterns to optimize product placement and promotions. For example, by understanding which products are frequently bought together, retailers can design store layouts or online recommendations to encourage bundled purchase. Um, Another critical area is inventory management. Retailers use predictive models to forecast inventory needs and avoid stockouts or overstocking. This ensures shelves are stocked with the right products at the right time, improving both customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. Then, lastly, we have personalized marketing, which focuses on delivering targeted promotions to customers based on their shopping behavior. For instance, a retailer might send tailored discounts to a customer who frequently shops for a specific brand or product category, increasing the likelihood of a purchase. So, business analytics empowers retailers to understand their customer better, um, streamline their operations, and make data driven decisions that give them a competitive edge. Okay, let's discuss how business analytics is revolutionizing the finance sector. Now, an industry where data plays a critical role in decision making and risk management. Um, the first key application is fraud detection, where machine learning models are used to detect unusual transactions and prevent fraudulent activities. For instance, banks and payments processors monitor transaction patterns in real time to flag suspicious activities, um, which helps protect both businesses and customers. Next is credit scoring, which involves predicting the likelihood of loan repayment using customer data. Financial institutions analyze a range of factors such as income, credit history, and spending patterns to assess the creditworthiness of borrowers. This enables them to make informed lending decisions and minimize default risks. Then, lastly, we have investment strategies. By analyzing market data, financial firms can develop optimized investment strategies tailored to current trends and risk tolerance. For example, predictive analytics is used to forecast marketing movements and recommend portfolio adjustments. So, business analytics in finance empowers organizations to make data driven decisions, manage risk effectively, and deliver personalized financial services. Next, explore the transformative role of business analytics in healthcare, an industry where data driven decision making can directly impact lives and improve outcomes. Um, One critical application is patient care optimization. Predictive analytics is used to identify patients at risk for specific conditions, allowing healthcare providers to intervene earlier and deliver targeted treatments. For example, by analyzing patient data, hospitals can predict which patients are at higher risk of readmission, and take preventive measures. Then we have another important use, which is resource allocation. By optimizing the allocation of medical resources, such as hospital beds, staff, and equipment, healthcare facilities can improve efficiency and enhance patients' outcome. For instance, during peak times like flu season, analytics can help us hospitals better manage resources to meet increased demand. Finally, we have cost reduction. Healthcare organizations analyze data to identify areas where cost can be reduced without compromising the quality of care. This might include reducing unnecessary tests, improving operational efficiency, or streamlining supply chain processes. So, we can say business analytics is revolutionizing healthcare by improving patient care, increasing efficiency, and controlling costs. Okay, next is business analytics in marketing, which is making a profound impact in the world of marketing. In a highly competitive and customer centric market, data driven strategies are essential for success. One of the primary applications is customer segmentation. By grouping customers based on demographics, purchase behavior, and preferences, businesses can create more personalized marketing strategies. For instance, a company might identify specific customer groups who are likely to purchase a new product and design targeted campaigns for those segments. Then another key area is campaign performance analysis, which involves measuring the effectiveness of marketing campaigns across different channels. So, businesses use analytics to determine which campaigns are performing well and adjust their strategies in real time for better outcomes. Finally, we have social media analytics, which is increasingly important in today's digital age. Analyzing social media interactions helps businesses understand customer sentiment, preferences, and trends. For example, tracking mentions and engagement metrics on platforms like Twitter or Instagram can guide the development of more engaging content. So, by leveraging analytics, marketing teams can make data informed decisions, create personalized customer experience, and maximize the return on their marketing investments. So let's see the next one. Okay, now let's explore how business analytics is transforming the supply chain, an area where efficiency and accuracy are critical for success. One key application is demand planning, where predictive analytics is used to forecast demand and adjust supply chain strategies accordingly. For example, businesses can analyze historical sales data and marketing trends to predict future demand, ensuring they produce and stock the right amount of goods. Another important use is logistics optimization. By analyzing real time data, companies can optimize shipping routes and delivery times, reducing costs and improving customer satisfaction. For instance, logistics firms use GPS data and traffic patterns to select the most effective delivery routes. Now, lastly, supplier management, which is another area where analytics plays a vital role. By analyzing supplier performance data, businesses can improve relationships, negotiate better terms, and ensure reliable supply chains. This helps organizations mitigate risk and maintain smooth operations. So, we can say that overall business analytics in supply chain management enables organizations to enhance operational efficiency, reduce cost, and deliver better outcomes for customers. Okay. To tie everything together, let's look at a practical example of how business analytics has been successfully applied in the retail industry. So, a retail company wanted to improve customer retention and boost sales. So, like many businesses, they also faced challenges in identifying high value customers and delivering personalized experiences. So, uh, so for the solution, we can say the company implemented predictive analytics to analyze customer behavior and identify their most valuable customers. Then, by understanding buying patterns and preferences, they created targeted promotions tailored to these customers' needs. Then, after this solution they used, what is the outcome? Now, the outcome was impressive. Customer retention increased by 15% and overall sales grew by 10% through the use of targeted marketing. This case demonstrates how leveraging data and analytics can directly impact business performance, delivering measurable and meaningful results. Okay, now let's look at a real world application of business analytics in the finance industry and how we can solve it. So, let's say a bank faced a common issue, which is reducing the risk of loan defaults while maintaining profitability. Now, identifying risky borrowers and offering appropriate loan terms was a pressing concern for them. So, what is the solution? Now, the bank used predictive analytics to assess customer creditworthiness. By analyzing customer data such as income, repayment history, and spending patterns, the bank was able to set appropriate interest rates and offer tailored loan packages to match the financial profiles of different customers. So, you just don't need to give same package for every customer. You will customize your packages depending on your customer's background. Now, this approach reduced loan defaults by 8% and improved profit margins by offering personalized loan products that balanced risk and reward. So, these results showcase how predictive analytics not only mitigates risk but also enhances financial performance. So, as we wrap up our discussion, let's take a look at the future trends in business analytics, which will shape how businesses leverage data in the coming years. First, we have artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies are driving AI powered analytics, enabling deeper insights and automation of complex processes. For instance, machine learning algorithms can predict customer behavior more accurately and automate decision making processes. Next is data democratization, where more businesses are enabling employees across all departments to access and analyze data. This trend empowers non-technical staff to make data-driven decisions, fostering a culture of innovation and agility. Another exciting trend is real-time analytics. With the growing need for immediacy, businesses are increasingly analyzing data as it's generated. This allows for quick decision making, whether it's for monitoring production lines or responding to customer queries instantly. Then finally, there's predictive maintenance, a transformative trend in industries like manufacturing and logistics. By predicting equipment failures before they happen, businesses can avoid costly downtime and improve operational efficiency. So these trends highlight how business analytics is becoming more accessible, actionable, and integral to strategic planning. The future of business analytics promises exciting opportunities for innovation and growth. And I encourage you to think about how these trends might influence your own work or industry. Well, to conclude, we have seen how business analytics is a vital tool for decision making across industries. It empowers organizations to unlock the potential of their data, driving smarter decisions and fostering innovation. Throughout this session, we have explored how analytics is applied in areas like finance, retail, healthcare, marketing, and supply chain management. Each example demonstrates the transformative impact of analytics in improving efficiency, understanding customer behavior, and creating competitive advantages. I encourage you to think about how these concepts apply to your own work or studies and consider how you can leverage analytics to drive better outcomes. Thank you for all of your attention, and that's all for today. Thank you.